Hey guys, Laura here from Pete's RV Center coming at you with great news. Pete's RV Center is going to be at the Vermont Camping Expo this weekend at the Champlain Valley Fairgrounds. We're going to be there Friday, Saturday, Sunday with every floor plan we can possibly fit there. We're bringing bunkhouses and couples trailers. You'll see things like the Cherokee, Sunset Trail, Grey Wolf, Clipper, Bullet, and so many more. Be sure to check out the Pete's RV display. We've got some special financing packages and great prices on all of our accessories. Can't wait to see you there this weekend.